In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a frequently asked questions section to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to update. Once you have selected the correct site, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy Website Builder. After the editor loads, go to the page where you want the FAQ section to appear. Scroll down until you reach the area where you want to place it. When you find the right spot, click the Add Section button that appears between the existing sections on the page. This will open the list of available section types. Browse through the section categories and look for the Frequently Asked Questions or FAQ option. Once you find it, select it to view the available layouts. GoDaddy may offer a few different styles, so choose the one that fits your website design best. Then click Add to insert the FAQ section onto the page. Now you can begin entering your content. Click the first question field and type your question. Then click the matching answer field and enter the answer you want visitors to see. Continue filling out the section by adding more questions and answers. Most GoDaddy layouts include an Add FAQ or Add Item option, which lets you create additional entries as needed. If your editor gives you the option to rearrange items, move the questions into the order that makes the most sense for your visitors. This is helpful if you want the most important information to appear first. Take a moment to review each question and answer carefully. Make sure everything is clear, accurate, and displayed correctly in the section. When the content looks good, click Preview to see how the FAQ section will appear on your live website. Check both the layout and readability so you can confirm that the section fits well with the rest of the page. If you notice anything that needs to be adjusted, return to the editor and make your changes. Once you are satisfied with the result, click Publish to make the FAQ section live on your website. Your visitors will then be able to view the new section and quickly find answers to common questions. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.